What's up and welcome guys to my second channel. Today we are in Xinbei, New Taipei City. We are just at the heading of a hiking trail. So we're heading up a mountain to a place called Yinhe which is Yinhe Waterfall. So there's also a cave and a temple. So I've never actually been here, but I've seen pictures and I just needed to go. It looks so cool. So it's about 5 p.m. and should take us about an hour, and we will be ending our hike at the Malkong Gondola, the summit of Malkong Mountain, and take the gondola down. So it's already beautiful. So let's just go for a walk. We are here, and the temple and the cave are here, and we're gonna go all the way down to Malkong Gondola.
So we're at the first of the trail and there's already a waterfall right here and it is beautiful.
So we have some pretty steep and mossy, slippery steps is the first section of the trail, but luckily the sun has kind of gone down and it's not too hot out today. We're just coming up on the temple now and you can see the massive waterfall right behind me. It recently was typhoon and raining, so I think that it's extra big and spectacular. And just check that out, that is awesome. So we just reached the temple and it is absolutely beautiful. There is this big waterfall like we saw from lower, and it's going right over top of the temple. The temple is kind of in a cave. So we're actually inside of the temple now and it's really cool. It's sort of like a cave. It's half kind of man-made and then half natural. And it has an incredible view over this valley and the waterfall, and it's got this kind of like spooky abandoned feel. So I'm gonna show you guys around. just coming out the other side of the temple here and is absolutely beautiful. This is such a cool spot. Definitely recommend coming out here. Extremely picturesque. I mean, you've got a cave, a temple, and a waterfall, and amazing views of this mountain scenery. It's really a beautiful place. So I'm actually about to walk right behind the waterfall here. Nearing the end of our hike now. It was an absolutely beautiful hike. The path is really well maintained and the views were amazing. Of course, that temple was the highlight, but I would definitely recommend this. It's pretty easy to access. We took the green line to terminal station Xiandian and then took a cab to Yinhe Waterfall. We just told the cab driver Yinhe Pubu and he knew exactly where we wanted to go. And it was about 2.4 kilometers walk in total. Yeah, really scenic. Definitely try it out. The path is awesome. And we're just coming up on Malkong Gondola now, going to take that back down to the bottom of the mountain. The sun is setting right between these trees over here, and off in the distance, you can barely see it, but that is Taipei 101, tallest building in Taiwan, and it looks so small from here. Oh, it's beautiful.
Jesus. Did it really just take off really fast?
Yeah, it's gonna launch us. Ready? 3, 2.
Whoa! Earthquake!
Okay, made it onto the gondola. This is the Malkong Gondola. Itself is quite an attraction. Definitely come check this out. It's at Taipei Zoo Station, so you could do both of those in one day easily. And there's lots of good places to drink tea at the top of the gondola, and some street food up there as well. We've spent some time up there before, and it's a really nice place. And we just got this whole gondola to ourselves. Pretty awesome. It's sunset right now. I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. I hope you enjoyed that. That was such a cool, like, abandoned, not really abandoned, but definitely some cool urban exploring of that temple and waterfall. And I definitely recommend you go there. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box. Subscribe to this channel. This is my second channel, but make sure to also subscribe to the first channel for some awesome food and travel videos. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.